Our linear acoustic panels are one of the fastest ways to completely transform a room. Not only do they add high-end architectural texture to your space, but the felt backing also works as an acoustic treatment to absorb echoes and dampen sound. The best part? You don't need to be a professional carpenter to put these up. Today, I am going to show you how to install these panels on a standard flat wall, step by step. Let's get started. Before we begin, here is what you will need for this project. Your acoustic wood panels, a tape measure and pencil, a spirit level or laser level, glue adhesive which will be supplied by us with your order, black drywall screws to blend into the felt, a drill or electric screwdriver, a fine-tooth saw or circular saw just in case you need to trim the panels to fit your ceiling height. Start by measuring the width and height of your wall to confirm how many panels you'll need. If your wall has any large bumps or old nails, remove them now so the wall is completely flat. Give the wall a quick wipe down to remove any dust. If your panels are taller than your ceiling, measure the required height and mark it on your panel. Use the masking tape across where you will be cutting to ensure you get a clean, unchipped edge. Then use your fine-tooth saw to make a clean cut. Cutting through the wood slats and felt backing is straightforward. Just take your time. For a solid installation, use the adhesive and screws that are provided. First, lay the panel face down to begin applying the adhesive to the felt backing, keeping a couple centimeters away from the edge so it doesn't squeeze out when you press it against the wall. Then add some glue in crosses along the back for additional support. The first panel dictates how the entire wall will look, so it has to be perfectly straight. Place the panel against the edge of your starting corner and use a spirit level to ensure it's completely straight. Don't trust the corner of your room. Walls are rarely perfectly straight. The glue will allow you to slightly move and adjust the panel until it's straight. Once it's level, it's time to secure it. The easiest and cleanest method is using black drywall screws. Drive the screws straight through the acoustic felt between the wooden slats. Because the felt is black, the screw heads will completely vanish. Use about 6 screws per panel, 1 close to each corner and then 2 in the middle of the panel on each side. With the first panel secure, the rest is a breeze. These panels are designed with an overlapping edge. After adding adhesive to your next panel, slide it tightly against the first one. The spacing between the panels will naturally match the spacing of the slats, creating a seamless look. Double-check your level, screw it in, and repeat this process across the wall. When you reach the end of the wall, you'll want to leave enough space to use our finishing edge trim. And just like that, the wall is done. It only took a couple of hours, but it truly transforms the space. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you've got any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next Luun project.